Hey everybody, welcome to the Sissy Squats tutorial. Today we're taking a look at the leg extension. Now at the gym you might sit down on a machine and do this, but at home, how do we get that in there? We call it the Sissy Squat. Position yourself beside a countertop or a bench, and as you can see here in the video, practice a squat first, just a regular normal squat. Then lean your body weight back while holding on to the leverage of your counter or your bench, and you're going to get up on your toes, and you're going to let your body weight sink back towards your heels, keeping your leg as the focal point. The leg extension between the hip and the knee is where you're going to feel the quadricep muscle through the movement. As you can see here, we are bending the knee to hinge. We're getting up on the toes and we're leaning back. This is where the countertop comes in. The abdominals are straight. We're not letting the bum dip back. If you need a little more assistance, grab a second device, either the countertop with another countertop right across from you, or in this case, a broom and your bench. As you can see here, same position. Back up on the toes, straighten your body up, and now look it, we can even drop deeper because we have leverage on both sides. I'm going to move the camera here for a second so you can see even deeper into the movement. Watch, holding onto the broomstick and the bench, get up on the toes, lean back. Put your weight over your heels at the back and sink in. This takes all the pressure off the knees. Look how far down you're able to go. You can feel your body weight being supported behind you so you're not going to fall. And you can actually keep your hips up, bend the knee, and allow the weight to travel through the quadricep. Here's another option. If you have a TRX suspension system, lean back. Think of it like a hack squat. You're going to lean back, put your weight over the heels, the same movement pattern. Lift your hips up, keep your body straight, and now drop in as you slide towards, with knee extension here, pushing the quadricep, the front of the leg. So just like the machine at the gym, when you sit down on there and you kick your legs to full extension, that's what's happening at the top of the movement. Breathe in on that way down, exhale on the way up, and notice you don't let your bum sag in or out. Keep it straight. Here's another look at the TRX from the other side. So giving you another look. And you can do this facing out as long as you have that leverage behind you, but this is a little more advanced. You're going to feel a lot more pressure in the quadriceps here using this type of approach facing away from the anchor. But again, form remains the same. Lean back, weight over the heels. So here's a final look at it with minimal amount of help. Watch how I only use one finger, tap down on the bench just to keep the balance as I lower myself. And it's almost 100% freestyle. Look how far down and how far back I'm able to go, knowing I have the bench there just in case, and you're able to get some really good reps. Now you want to work your way up to this point. I'm not saying start here, I'm saying this is after years of practice and experience, and the more training you do, the better you're going to get. Just tap that finger down on there as you lower yourself back. Notice how far deep into that movement you can go and not get knee pain. That's all you need for Sissy Squats. Please subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications to never miss another video. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.